Ready to speak English like a pro? This is the best way to learn. Just listen and repeat. Let's start the lesson. Let's start the lesson. The teacher is very kind. The teacher is very kind. Don't touch that, it's hot. Don't touch that, it's hot. Can I open the window? Can I open the window? They usually eat dinner at 8. They usually eat dinner at 8. She's from Brazil. She's from Brazil. How old is your sister? How old is your sister? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. There are many people in the park. There are many people in the park. Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? He wears glasses. He wears glasses. Please write your name here. Please write your name here. The music is too loud. The music is too loud. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Let's cook something simple. Let's cook something simple. She always wakes up early. She always wakes up early. It often snows in winter. It often snows in winter. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Please come in. Please come in. He's always on time. He's always on time. Do they work together? Do they work together? It smells good in the kitchen. It smells good in the kitchen. Let's have dinner outside. Let's have dinner outside. She has a big smile. She has a big smile. They sometimes visit their grandparents. They sometimes visit their grandparents. Please turn off the light. Please turn off the light. The kids are playing football. The kids are playing football. There isn't any sugar left. There isn't any sugar left. She is learning French. She is learning French. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Let's meet at the cafe. Let's meet at the cafe. Don't worry, It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Can he play the piano? Can he play the piano? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. We are studying for the exam. We are studying for the exam. There are flowers in the garden. There are flowers in the garden. You look happy today. You look happy today. Let's talk about your plans. Let's talk about your plans. Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? Don't run in the hallway. Don't run in the hallway. The water is too cold. The water is too cold. She likes to drink green tea. She likes to drink green tea. He plays the guitar very well. He plays the guitar very well. Please close the door. Please close the door. Where are they now? Where are they now? Let's go shopping this weekend. Let's go shopping this weekend. We're ready to start. We're ready to start. It's very cold today. It's very cold today. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. They live in a small village. They live in a small village. The sky looks beautiful tonight. The sky looks beautiful tonight. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? She works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. Should I call her now? Should I call her now? We study English together. We study English together. The lights are off. The lights are off. There is a cat under the table. There is a cat under the table. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? It rains a lot in April. It rains a lot in April. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. He is cooking dinner. He is cooking dinner. Let's take some photos. Let's take some photos. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? They are playing outside. They are playing outside. The bus is late again. The bus is late again. You can sit here if you want. You can sit here if you want. There aren't many cars today. There aren't many cars today. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. We need to buy some bread. We need to buy some bread. Does she like movies? Does she like movies? You speak English very clearly. You speak English very clearly. The coffee tastes bitter. The coffee tastes bitter. Let's watch a movie tonight. Let's watch a movie tonight. We often watch TV together. We often watch TV together. He watches football on weekends. He watches football on weekends. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. Has he called you yet? Has he called you yet? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. The door is open. The door is open. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. He never eats breakfast. He never eats breakfast. What time does it start? What time does it start? We don't have any milk left. We don't have any milk left. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Is there a supermarket nearby? Is there a supermarket nearby? Let's go shopping this weekend. Let's go shopping this weekend. We're ready to start. We're ready to start. They go to school by bike. They go to school by bike. The shop is open on Sundays. The shop is open on Sundays. There are many people in the park. There are many people in the park. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Please close the door. Please close the door. It doesn't take long to get there. It doesn't take long to get there. The movie starts at 7. The movie starts at 7. Shall we sit over there? Shall we sit over there? Let's cook something simple. Let's cook something simple. The sky looks beautiful tonight. The sky looks beautiful tonight. Let's meet at the cafe. Let's meet at the cafe. The teacher is very kind. The teacher is very kind.